So this is a big deal. If you are not dialing this number, then your phone is at risk. So dial star hash 21 hash star, and after you have dialed it, it will show enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, then that is good. And if it is written enabled, it means that your text, your phone calls, and your data packets are going to someone else's phone number. And if it is going there, your phone is at risk. So make sure that it is disabled. The feature is disabled in this option. If this feature is enabled, your calls are being forwarded. You are being tracked. Have you ever wondered where your calls are being forwarded when your phone is out of coverage area or switched off? Or have you ever wondered when somebody called you but you did not receive their calls? Why did this happen? To check that, you need to dial this code, which is star hash 62 hash. If you dial this code, then what will happen? It will show where your call is being forwarded when your phone is switched off, where your calls are being forwarded when you're not in a coverage zone, where there is no signal, where there are forwarding. And if it is not your voicemail number, your phone is being hijacked. And in the last code, I will tell you how to get unhijacked, how to remove all trackers from your phone. Let me tell you something. One of my friend went to a phone service. He went there because his phone screen was broken. And after some days, the screen was fixed and he gave the phone back to my friend that he paid the price of the screen. But after some days, what happened is somebody stole his phone. So what he did, he complained an FIR, and after that the FIR shows there are two phones with the same IMEI number. And after that the police inquired him and he didn't even get his phone, and police also blame him for not checking his IMEI number. Now what happened is there were two phones registered by one IMEI number, and it is a crime if that happens. Only one phone should register. It is like a buying one car but having two chassis number with that. That cannot happen. There should be only one IMEI number. So for that you need to check if your IMEI number is registered with your phone only or not. For that you need to first get to the IMEI number from your phone. For that dial star hash 06 hash. And after that just go on Google and search for IMEI number, research or phone number research. It will show you one of the website. Just go to a valid website. Don't just choose scammy website. I will also give a website link in the description which you can go and check. And if it shows one registered phone, then that means you're good. But if it shows two, you need to register a complaint, because if something happens with that IMEI number, then you will have to pay the price. You can go to jail. You can go to jail for terrorist purpose also. Now this code is one of the best code. If you found any of the things in the last four codes and you think something is enabled on your phone, somebody is call forwarding from your phone and you are being tracked. If you found anything from the past four codes, then dial this code right now, which is hash 002 hash. This is a universal deactivation code for tracking. It can deactivate any of the call forwarding in just 2 seconds. Just dial this code and you are safe after that. Nobody will track you from your call forwarding. No message will be leaked from your phone and no data will be leaked from your side. Nobody can track you after you just dial this code. This is the best and universal deactivation code I am giving you. So if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button on this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because more informative videos are coming you which will save your phone, and it will also make sure the hackers stay away from you. And if you are being hacked, then also it will save you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more informational videos where you can get safe.